Good day, Mom and Sir. My name is Jenny P. Sanchez. I am 33 years old. I live in Davao de Oro, somewhere in Mindanao. I have a partner and we have 4 kids. They are all girls, ages 14 years old, my eldest. The second are twins, 11 years old, and my youngest is 5 years old. My educational background, I am a college level undergrad. My work experience, I worked before in Kuwait, year 2015 to 2017. I work as a full-time nanny and all-around household worker. I do cleaning, ironing, feeding all the kids and sending them to school, and I also cook for them. And my second work experience, I work in Turkey as a full-time nanny of 2 toddlers boys, ages 5 years old and 2 years old. I am the one who feed them in the morning. I am the one to put them to sleep at night, and I am the one to bath them. I also do household chores in Turkey. I work all around. I also do ironing, cleaning, and also cooking. Mom and Sir, if you hire me, I promise to do my best to work with you and also for your kids and to the whole family. And I will promise I will stay with you as long as you want me, and I will serve you. Thank you.